guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Blossoming Jasmine. You guys know me. I got my wine, I got my notes, and I got some good chat for you guys. I just wanted to say thank you to all of my new subscribers because you guys are you are coming, you're joining. I'm so happy. Welcome, welcome, welcome to Blossom University. I'm your instructor, Blossoming Jasmine, but today we're not doing any type of bling. We're going to be talking about the business aspect of things. So I want to talk about my business, and my bling business is actually not my very first business. Back in college, I launched a business called Infinite Magnetism, and I made these bracelets, and they are magnetic bracelets. And for me, when I was in college, I was really like trying to, break generational curses. I'm the first person to graduate from college in my family, which I was, but then it's really important for me to launch a business. So like I said, while I was in college, I launched a business. I got my EIN number, I got my business license, and then I had my product. Well, I never really established a structure to support my product. So it wasn't really like I had a business. Now that was in college, right? Fast forward to today, I still really don't have a structure to my business. So I recently went to a conference called the Boss Conference, and it was really important for me to network and find the people that can help me take my business to the next level and structure myself so that I can automate systems and be able to support my customers as they find my products to once they finish buying my products. So that was really my goal in going to the conference, and I found someone who can help me with exactly that. So if that's something that you would like to do for your company, your business, if you are someone who also, are trying to break generational curses, you also are someone who's like, I have a business license, I have a product, but I haven't really been operating and using it as a true business, I think this is a really good video for you. So something that was kind of like, I'm just looking at my notes, something that was kind of like an eye opener for me was when I was reading this book, and this book is called The Energy of Money. This book has been so helpful with showing me that for a really long time, I have had these things that I knew that I had to do in my finances that I was kind of ignoring. Like all of us have our things. Like some of us, we may have like student loans that you don't want to pay, or some people you got a bill that you should probably pay it because you have the money and you buy it with something else. Like everybody has their ways and everybody has their things. And like recently I realized that, whoa, I am repeating the habits of the woman that raised me, my aunt. I'm like, I don't want to go down that road. And because I have not been addressing my, not problems, but I haven't been addressing this thing, it's just been keeping my life stagnant because I haven't addressed these things that I've kind of been hiding from, and I didn't even know I was hiding from them. I think subconsciously we all have a way of, finding other things to do, or something always comes up. So for me, the energy of money has really been helpful to show me that in order for something new to come into my life, I have to release the old. And the thing that I believe is going to help me release the old is by joining this group. And the group is called 100K Incubator. And the woman's name who created it, her name is Ariel Lauren. And I actually had been following her for a really long time. She was at the Boss Conference, And what she does is whether you have a business or you're about to start a business or wherever you're at in your business, she teaches you how to get your business documentation in line. So she teaches you from beginning to end, and she has all these videos, literally step by step, guiding you, basically babying you all the way along the way on how to launch your business if you haven't. Like for me, I am really at the beginning stages of my business. Even though I have tons of products, even though I have had a business license for 4 years, it didn't click in my head that I'm not really operating as a successful business. So I've decided to join her group, and I really think that it'd be beneficial to my subscribers. If you are not someone who is comfortable with doing this business thing by yourself, and if you've been putting it off, if you know you have things that you should do, she really teaches you how to structure your business, how to get your personal credit together, how to get your credit together, how to do whatever you need to do in order to get funding. And she teaches you the different types of funding that your business may be eligible for. If you want like a business credit card, she teaches you how you can apply for that. She just teaches you, and she has investors within the community, and she teaches you how to get the funding that you need, basically. I mean, I really can't say it any other way. So I think that it would be super beneficial to my community. It's only $20 a month. If you sign up for 100K Incubator, it is, I think the first 3 days are free. So I think it's totally worth the money. If you're someone who is kind of stuck and you don't know what to do, and your business has been just like stuck in a place and you can't get out of it, join me. Join me, okay? Because I'm all about like getting my shit together. You know what I mean? So I think in 5 days, there will only be 100 days left in 2019, and I'm just like, wow. It's like go hard or go home right now, Jasmine. So what I'm doing is I'm teaming up with my best friend, and she also has an online school. My online school is a bling school where I teach people how to bedazzle, but her online school is really for self-development. So I'm going to be doing her challenge, and I've done her challenge before, and her challenge is GYL, Get Your Life. So she teaches you how to get your life together. She teaches you about self-awareness and how to take your life basically to the next level. You know, I met my best friend in New York. We actually used to, live in the same house. And just through knowing her, I think maybe 3 or 4 months, I was able to like move to a whole nother state, and just my life just elevated in so many ways. Like just through knowing her, I just feel like the things that I want, I was able to get it quicker. And she's really good at like manifesting like quickly. So I'm gonna GYL, and then she also has this thing called GYB, Get Your Business. So she goes into these businesses and she works with them to help them get their businesses up and running. So she's going to help me GYL, and she's also going to help me GYB. So I encourage you guys to join me on this journey. I thank you so much for taking the time to listen to my video. Of course, like I told you before, definitely subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on your notifications so that you see my new videos. Comment below on the things or the people that have personally helped you with your business and help you basically crush some of the generational curses in your life so that you can change those generational curses into generational blessings. So love you guys, and see you in my next video. Bye. All right. Bye, guys. Let's toast.